Let's see what's going on out here. What in the...
She's putting it all down her throat, her chest, because she's eating it.
What is going on out here?
She's gonna get really wet and cold.
Hey, Callie.
Look at Daddy, turn around.
Callie, what's going on over here? Nice? Snow? Snow? Mima? Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's about time we get a little snow.
A little?
This thing is
Look,
like
poor
6
Callie
feet
will
right
be
here.
completely- Look, it's on
Actually-
her eyelashes. Look how cute it looks on her eyelashes.
That's not food, Callie.
Callie, look at Mima. Her little face is all red.
I need a shovel.
Huh?
Give her to me.
Give me your hand. Come on, let's go. There you go. There you go. There you go. See? There you go.
Stop eating.
I can barely see you.
Come on.
Alright, we're gonna have to shut down my idea for a little family fun and snow till like Monday because it's literally a blizzard still. Callie, stop eating that. You're gonna get a stomachache.
Look, she's all full of snow.
Callie, you're gonna get a stomachache. Yeah. Shh. Come on, pit bull. You're an American. Get out here. Yeah. That's a good pit bull. Yeah.
Come on, Ginger.
What are you doing? Go play. Look, she can't even walk through this thing, Ma.
Come, Ginger, come. Come, Ginger.
And over here is not even, it's pretty shallow considering this is the road.
Loud, one's there.
Ooh.
Shit.
The hell? Go, get it. Run. Can you stop staying next to me? Run. Go somewhere. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Come on.
Whoa, whoa.